I mean, the cameras rolling, the rock ain't rolling. About to say it ain't done yet.
Dig it out and put the stick under it, I think.
Let's see if we can get this rock to roll.
Tell you this, whoever runs the stick will be way less worn out. Then again, it might snap and hit you in the face. Yeah, it doesn't look good.
You watch your face.
Right in the way.
Come on! We need your muscles. Marco's just videotaping you.
Yo, they said somebody had to.
You gonna help?
Screw the tree.
I'm helping.
You wanna get the monster? He's helping himself.
Just 2 more people push it and see if
They're moving.
It started, bud.
Yeah, so I said it's almost there.
With some dynamite.
2 more people.
That's the most I've ever seen it move. Yeah, I don't think it's moving any more than that.
We just gotta coordinate it.
Yep.
If we can spin it.
It'll probably start to go.
Get it out of the rough that it's sitting in.
Yeah.
Sitting in a
Well,
rock.
if I put the camera down, I start to push this way. Maybe it'll.
Prop it up on a rock. And then quickly pick it up if it starts to roll. Don't videotape the sun.
Yeah.
Just get the action shot. Put it down there on that rock.
right over the camera.
It rolls over.
I'll be out there. One, two, three. Oh, shit. Well, we can get the stick under it farther.
Big ass crazy quad thing.
That's what I said too.
Yeah.
Don't need a winch.
It's going downhill. I bet you it'll.
I think if we can get it to roll once.
Yeah, you get it up halfway, yeah.
Yeah, see how that
This side it'll roll on that side.
That side doesn't end
Yeah.
up deep there.
Yeah. It's in a much better position now to
If
actually
we
go.
spin it a little more, I think we can just rock it. Tree might help.
Somebody else, man.
Get the camera, get the camera. Oh yeah!
Yeah, your mama.
Yeah! We are retarded.
How far down that shit go?
Right? Let's go on.
All the way, it gets deep quick.
Dude, that's gotta be like 6 feet, like right there at least.
What does that take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Took 6 of us.
Nice.
Oh my god, that's